Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And today I'm going to be just talking about analysis about the stocks that I'm looking to trade. And if you guys want to tune in, put some stocks in. This is going to be a shorter, kind of like a stock talk. I just want to talk about, from now on, actually, I'm going to be doing like sort of probably a series where every day I talk about the new things that I've learned in the stock market. And I'm going to be updating you guys like today. I'm going to be talking about one certain subject, and tomorrow we'll see. We could probably make a video, and we'll just see, or probably on weekends after this week. We'll probably just do it on weekends. But for the first people who are tuning into the live stream, actually, maybe I could. All right, I'm gonna put the link into the Discord server. For those who aren't in the Discord server, it's always in the description below. So if you'd like to join, I'd really appreciate it. And there's a lot of people, like-minded individuals, who are interested in stocks there. So feel free to join. All right. Thanks. All right. So if you're watching the replay, just skip like 1 minute ahead. All right. All right. All right. I don't think I need to post a link. They'll find it. They can find the YouTube app. All right. So let's see. The stock that I'm trading currently is SPY. SPY tracks the overall stock market. It's an ETF. And let's just try to do some analysis on this stock. Let's see if anyone's in the chat yet. Yeah. Shirley Lewis. Hey, Shirley Lewis. I'm going to go over SPY first, and then I'm going to go over the other stocks you guys like, alright? So, we can find that it had a sort of resistance on this line right here. Alright, that's not... Alright, let me try to draw it nicely. So, it had a resistance right around this line right here, where it's consolidating at right now. It definitely broke above, and now it's bouncing off the SMA line just consistently, which is a good sign. But now, just looking at the stock price, I would just be waiting for the stock because this could be a potential double bottom where there's a bottom up and then bottom, and I think this stock has the potential to actually bounce back up. The only thing I would worry about right now, because I have some shares in TQQQ. If you guys didn't watch the video yet, I just posted the regular daily video. So the only thing I'd be worried about is sort of right here. If we would draw like a resistance right here. We can see that it may be forming sort of like a triangle pattern or a flag pattern right here, and we just need to be careful for that. Yes, right here, right around here, and maybe we could draw a line like this. It's not even that. All right, so yeah, something around this. Just be careful. I think that once it breaks above, though, it'll definitely have the potential to bounce up way higher, and make another bounce like it did previously, like right here it did, right here, and right here. So that's just what I see with SPY, and that's why I see value in it, because I wanted to buy in at the bounce, and it took a downturn, and I bought it when it started going up. I thought it was going to confirm an uptrend, but it wasn't, and yeah. So what I did learn about false breakouts right now, just a rule of thumb to detect like a false breakout, not really detect, but if it goes like below support, if the stock price goes below support, on these bounces, like right here, SPY is a great example. On these bounces, we would have like one support line. All right, let's not draw all of them, but like at least one of them. So there'd be one support line right here, another one right here, wherever it bounces, right here, and right here. So the rule of thumb is that you'd wait, if the stock breaks the pattern, you'd wait until it goes around to its last bounce, and if it doesn't bounce there, then it's probably a real breakout. But if it doesn't, and it bounces somewhere in between this, then it's probably just like a false breakout right here. And it's pretty profitable because you can just detect a bounce on the stock price. So that's just what I learned today, and I'm going to be studying up on some more things like that. And I'm going to be sharing it with you all. Alright, Shirley Lewis, ODP entry at, alright, ODP, ODP. Alright, so let's see. ODP is looking like It's sort of a penny stock, a little bit. All right, let's draw some support and resistance here. Support, resistance right here. Right around here would be a resistance line. Yeah, and the overall support, let me get these ads out of the way. The overall support on this stock would be right around the area right here. Let me drag this up. Right around here is overall support, and as you can see, it bounced up once, twice on this support. And right now, maybe it may not be the best buy right now, actually, because unless it breaks the pattern, you have a strong belief that it'll break the pattern. If we look at it from this perspective, then we can see that in reality, this stock is technically like at a resistance right now. As you can see, it's been bouncing around the support and resistance lines that I drew right here. These trend lines right here was a false breakout, and right here, as you can see, it's right at the top. So I just be careful for a false breakout right here. But what I would call it as a confirmation is if it bounces above, if it goes above, bounces on the old resistance, making it support, bounces up, and then starts trending upwards, which would be a good sign that it's breaking its pattern. Right now, it is at an overall low point, so I think if you bought it now and held it for like a few months, you definitely come up to be profitable because it usually bounces up from here. But this is just like the short-term perspective that I like to show. All right, any other stocks? Surely. Let's see. 3 people watching. Anyone have any other stocks you guys want me to go over? Anything like that? Dang it, I was gonna make a YouTube video about Instagram today, but it's a bit too late. Dang it. I'll do it tomorrow though. Alright, tomorrow. Anything else? Anyone? Yes? No? Maybe? Surely yes. Alright, meanwhile let's check out UWT. Let's see what's up with UWT. Okay. Alright. That's pretty good. Looks pretty good. Now let's draw some support right around here. Maybe not the most clear, but it gets the job done. Yes, BA. I'll get right to that here at 1 second. All right, so UWT, it just bounces off this line pretty consistently, unless it falls below. If it does fall below, then it usually is this second support right here. But it does bounce around this, so I think it would be a good buy if it bounces down to here and then starts to reverse. Then it would be a good buy if you bought it. Let's say it bounces down here like this. Let's draw with a pen. It bounces. Let's say the stock price goes like this. It bounces here, and then you would buy around 17. And if it goes up to even not its resistance right around here, maybe 18.30 or so, from 17 to 18.30, that's $1.30. That's almost 10%. That's around 8% profit on one stock, which in my opinion is a pretty good profit margin. All right, so getting on to the next stock, Herod. I'll get right onto it. Let me just delete this line. All right, there you go. Yes, what was it? BA, right? Let's go over BA. Surely I'll get to yours in a second after this one. BA, Boeing. So Boeing had that huge sell-off because of like the plane crashes and stuff like that. But right now it's kind of found its consolidation point. Is this EMA? Yeah, that's the SMA line has like sort of settled in, and I don't have the RSI chart pulled up, so give me 1 second. I'll pull up the RSI chart just to see a bit. RSI, relative strength index. Let's pull it down a bit. All right, so man, come on, go up a bit. There you go. So looking at the overall chart on Boeing, it looks like it's a bit overbought right now, and also we can kind of detect it with support and resistance. It did have a support right around here. Let's draw it really quickly right around here. It broke below it once, and a resistance right around here, and it does follow it pretty consistently, honestly. Let's move it like this. That's more like it. All right, so it does follow it very consistently. As you can see, goes down, bounces, and then goes at least midway, and then goes up, bounces, goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's pretty simple, and the RSI chart can also help us to determine if it's a good buying point or not. But right now, Boeing wouldn't be the best buy unless if you're planning to swing trade this stock. I still see potential in the stock if it bounces down on the support, and then the profit margin from here is 360 to 374. That's $14 profit margin. That's around 5%, a little less than 5%, which is not bad for a blue chip stock. Yeah, so that's what I see with Boeing. Boeing. DHI. 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 Alright, DHI right here. Let's see. Let's try to draw maybe a support for the long term. Oh, this one's been trending up for a while. It looks pretty good. But maybe not the best buying point right now. Yeah. So it did break above. And what I'd really be carefully watching out for is because it broke above the resistance right now. Should I draw the support? I mean, it's not even getting anywhere near, but around here is the support. And DHI right here, as you can see, it bounced right above the resistance. And now the key thing to watch is if it bounces or breaks the resistance line. So if it does end up, this is why I like TradeView, has the pen. So if the price moves like this, where it goes like this and then bounces off the old resistance and goes upwards, and I can't draw an arrow. Nope, I can't draw an arrow. But yeah, if it bounces from the resistance and uses it as a support, then that'd be definitely a good indicator that it's starting to trend upwards. So yes, that would be a good sign if you're looking to buy it, not short it. But let me get back to this. All right. But there's another option where it could do this, where it just falls below and starts to consolidate and fall. So both are equally possible, in my opinion at least. And we just have to watch, and whichever direction it goes into, you just have to play it. So if it breaks below, then you can short it, and if it bounces on it, then you can just buy it normally. So that's what I see with this stock. It looks pretty good. All right. Okay. Let's see. We'll do 2 more stocks. Oops. I closed my Gmail. There you go. 2 more stocks. All right. Let's go. So let's do Yes Bank. All right, we'll do these 3 stocks, and that's it. All right. I just wanted to make this video a little bit shorter. Yes Bank. I'm gonna go over this one quickly. Pretty overbought on the RSI. Doesn't look like a good buy right now. Yeah, not much of a support and resistance, and it's really slim right here. Let's see, right around here. Yeah, and it just broke above, so make sure that if it does bounce on this and go back up, then it'll break the pattern and it'll probably shoot up. But just also watch for it if it goes below, then you can short it. Yeah, because the RSI is pretty overbought, so it's kind of predicting it's going to go down. All right, let's see, SQ. Sorry, Shirley, that last one, we can go over it on the weekend stock talk, either on Friday or on Saturday or Sunday. But right now, I just want to do a quick live stream, just doing a few stocks, just have a light live stream, not like one of those usual 1 hour ones. So SQ, let's go over this one really quick. Square Incorporated, let's see. All right, the RSI looks like it's pretty I mean, it's in the oversold territory, which is a good sign that it might be a good buy soon. Let's see. Is there a support area right where it's at right now? It may be kind of forming a support right now at the price that it's at, right around here. And we can kind of tell because it used to be a resistance right here. As you can see, it resisted, and then support. So right now, it actually might be a pretty good buy for this if you want to swing it. And profit margin on this one would be from $73 to $78, possibly. So that's $5. That's around 7 to 8% profit margin on this stock, which is pretty good. I might write this one down. Looks pretty good. Solid pattern, solid company, so there's nothing to worry about some manipulation or anything. Just watch out for any news or anything like that, but otherwise it looks like a good trade. So yeah, I'm gonna write that down really quick. One last stock, alright? I'm sorry, Biostat. We're doing live streams every weekend, so if you guys like, you bring as many stocks as you want. I analyze and put them up on the screen, every single one of them. And if you guys like, then tune in on those. But today, I'm gonna be doing a shorter one. Probably tomorrow, I'll also do like a shorter one where I analyze maybe 2 or 3, up to 5 stocks. Just to have it like a checkup, kind of like a checkup in the middle of the week. So what was the last one? SMAR, 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 SMAR. All right, so this one's relatively new, using the SMA line as a support now, once, twice. RSI is pretty good. It's looking to bounce. What else can I say? It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good right now. It's a little overextended because it just keeps going up and up and up and up. In the 1-day chart, probably it's pretty overextended. It had quite a bit of a pullback. But overall, I think it has the potential to actually keep going upwards, which is a good sign. So yeah, trade it if you'd like. And it has some nice profit margins. If it were to bounce even only to like $45, then that's $4. That's 10% profit margin. That's pretty nice. Yeah, that's what I see with SMAR. And maybe one last one. Surely we already did 2. All right, fine. Last 2 stocks. All right, last 2 stocks. I'm gonna go over these really, really quick. CMR. All right, I'm sorry, but I don't analyze penny stocks. Why is it the same thing over and over again though? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. These aren't penny stocks. This is just low volatility stock. Dang. All right. Next one. Wait, maybe you were talking about a different one. Oh, CMG. My bad. My bad. My bad. CMG. All right, CMG. All right, nearing resistance. It's actually right at a resistance. It's really overbought, so make sure you stay tuned for the pullback. Not the best buy right now, especially since it's overextended. I wait for a pullback and then buy in. That's just my opinion. Like I always say, I just share my opinions and my strategies. Don't follow them 100%. I'm just sharing my opinions, and if you guys like my trading style, go ahead and go with it. If you guys don't, do what works for you. Just craft your own trading style that works for you. Everyone is different. AMRH. Correct? AMRH. AMRH. Sorry. I'm sorry, but it's kind of a penny stock right now. Barely anything to analyze on this. Yeah, just look at the RSI. That's the only thing I would say. If you are trading penny stocks, I'm not a penny stock genius or anything. But right now it looks like it's trending downward, so it wouldn't be the best buy. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I don't have much to say about penny stocks. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Hope it was like a nice, quick kind of lesson analysis video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you all for watching. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week, and hope you have a fantastic last 2 days of trading this week. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.